Today we're doing a review of the Level 8 Voyageur suitcase. There's a massive difference between packing a suitcase and packing for a luxury aesthetic getaway. If you love pieces like silk dresses, linen trousers, and tailored blazers, you already know the packing nightmare. Arriving at your stunning lakeside resort or boutique hotel, and when you open your suitcase, you realize the ultimate nightmare. Everything is a wrinkled, creased mess. I'm Maria on Sweet Life Housewife. We talk about where to go, what to wear, and how to pack to get it there. Huge thank you to Level 8 for partnering with me today and sponsoring this video. Thanks so much for giving our community this discount code. If you wanted to shop by scanning, you can scan the QR code here and remember to put in your discount code. I wanted to see if its highly talked about unique design could actually deliver a premium, wrinkle-free packing experience, or if it's just another overhyped internet trend. First of all, let's talk about the exterior features. This is a micro diamond finish on here, and it just looks so sleek and modern. I do love the aesthetic of the way that this looks. This is the hard shell luggage. It's German-made Makrolon polycarbonate shell. It's got a little bit of flexibility to it and very durable. Actually, Level 8 and this suitcase has a lifetime warranty, so you know it's going to be sturdy. I love how sleek this looks in the black, but they do have other colors as well. It comes in the celadon, yellow and black, olive, and it comes in navy also. The wheels are also really nice. They are 360-degree spinner wheels. They're very smooth. They go over rough terrain. I've tested it a little bit on my back deck and in my yard and stuff like that. And I've had Level 8 suitcases before, so I know how these wheels work and I really like them. This is the back of the suitcase. You can see it has those feet. There's 4 of them for you to lay it down on. The side panel also has 4 of them as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a nice flexible handle and you can easily fit your hand in it, and it pulls out more, but it closes pretty small, so it doesn't take up that much room when you're measuring. I'll show you the measurements a bit later. One of the most unique features on this is actually this handle. It's an ultra wide handle that's excellent for comfort. It also is great for maneuverability. It doesn't move when I shake it. It's very sturdy. I have another Level 8 suitcase with this handle. I packed it very full. It was a checked bag actually. Even when it was really heavy, it was so easy to maneuver. This ultra wide handle has a little push button on top. It's aluminum alloy, telescopic handle, and has 4 different positions that you could fit it in depending on what's comfortable for your height. Also, because these rails are on the sides, you have all of this space here to pack flat inside. Another thing about this bag, speaking of the flat space here, you also have flat space on the top side of the bag. These feet are on the bottom. I thought that was actually a really cool design feature. Level 8 has won many awards. They've won Red Dot Awards and others as well. They have very innovative designs, and not only have they won awards for the design and aesthetic of it, but also for the sustainability, being eco-conscious, and keeping the environment in mind as well. Part of the sustainability kind of weaves in with the lifetime warranty is that these are so durable and they will last a lifetime, so you don't have to be throwing these in landfills every 2 years. You'll have these for a very long time, if not your whole life. Moving on to the top, it lays so flat, but then it does come up really easy. So you can see here, the other part, it has the TSA lock on it that you can put your own combination in. Then TSA has a key if they need to get into it, they can. So you can see that there's this here where the TSA key goes, and when you're doing your combination, you just press this with your pen. There's like a little square with an indented circle, and that's where you put the tip of your pen or a paper clip. The zippers are really smooth also. I used to just only buy carry-ons that had a thing that would go over the trolley handle, but I realized you don't really need it. I could just hold the handle around like this and just wheel it just fine through the airport. The Level 8 logo is on the top, so if you're setting this part up against the wall, you could get into these pockets easily. What I love about this, they really do have a sense of design. This one is mesh for other things that you might want to have handy to get in and out of your suitcase. This would be great for a wet bathing suit, or maybe toiletries that you're afraid are going to spill or something like that. You can see this is waterproof up here, but this part is waterproof on the inside too. It's fully lined and it's completely flat inside. You'll see me do the measurements later. This is another thing with their design, is that kind of like a compression cube, like when you zip it in, it does compress just by zipping it in fully. On this side, same idea, And what's kind of neat about having the mesh only on this side is that it's flexible and a little breathable as well. And again, fully lined, and because this is the side with the telescopic handle, but it's completely flat inside, so you can put linen things, silk, and things that you don't want to fold too much or have too many creases, you could put at the bottom and then put your packing cubes on top. I am always meticulously trying to pack so I can get the least amount of wrinkles. It really helps to create more space for packing, more capacity for packing, and also more wrinkle-free packing, which is a win. For the measurements, from the bottom part to the top is 14 inches. For the depth, when you include these little feet here on the back side, it's 10 inches deep, 21 inches. 21 includes the wheels. The mesh side over here, depth-wise, 5 3/4, 5 1/4. And now we can do the at-home weight challenge, 8.4 pounds. I'm gonna put the ruffle side against the end so that it doesn't get wrinkled being folded over like that. Then on this side, I'm gonna put some of my heavier things. This is a little bit of a heavier packing cube. I've also got a pair of shoes in this one, and these are level 8 packing cubes as well. This is my toiletries stop kit and some more solid toiletries. They'll squish it in and compress it. On this side, I'm going to go ahead and put this pink linen jacket, and I'm just putting that in, again, flat, no bars to contend with. Such a good idea. And then I've got this silk dress I'm going to put in here. What I like to do is I put the silk on the outside. I'll put my linen pants on the inside, nice and flat. They're not gonna get wrinkled like this. And then I put the silk over that so that it doesn't crease. You have to be careful with silk. If you put something in the middle of it, it doesn't have a harsh edge, so it doesn't crease as much. And then this is all laying flat. I'm going to go ahead and put my other packing cubes in. I've got this one, I've got this one, and this and this. When I zip it up, it kind of acts like the compression. So now in these outside pockets, that if I have this sitting up on a luggage rack, I might want access to some things, but it's easy enough to retrieve them if I want to get at them. I'm gonna put my straightener in here, and then this in case I wanna use it, I know where it is, and I don't have to go digging for it. And then in this wet one, I'm gonna put some liquids, especially if you're not sure if it might leak in your bag. I would put it in this wet compartment. This is what it looks like, completely packed. I have space for souvenirs left in here because I can see pockets where I could stick things, but just in case I get something bigger like shoes or a purse, I want to have this, it comes out into a tote bag. I always do like to bring this on my trips in case I do buy things that are a little bigger that I wasn't expecting, especially since this one does not expand. Zips up easy peasy. Thanks so much Level 8 for sending this luggage to review, for partnering with me and sponsoring this video, and offering our community a discount code. Don't forget you can shop the link in the description, the first pinned comment, or you can scan it here. Enjoy your wrinkle-free packing. Thanks for watching. Bye.